Right, after a couple of months, I am absolutely gutted with the state of the rear brakes. So, come outside and have a look at the state of my brakes. Look at the state of these. This is OEM Audi. Every single Audi I seem to see has a problem with rust on their back hubs and around the brakes. I mean, the British roads in the winter and all the salt that gets thrown on it doesn't help, but look at the state of that. Absolutely disgusting. So I have upgraded them. Let me show you what I've bought. Here we go. So these are from Progressive Parts. I'll put a link in the description. These are 310 by 22mm rear brake discs. I bought the drilled and grooved version. Let's have a look and see what they look like. These are proper. Right, let's open them up and have a look and see what they look like. So I bought the drilled and grooved. I thought they looked quite nice. Look at those. These are for the rear. Gorge. And they're coated on the inner part here as well. So that is not going to get rusty like those absolute rubbish OEM ones. But yeah, pretty pleased with that. So obviously when you buy discs, you should always buy pads at the same time. So I went with Redstuff from EBC brakes. The reason I went for the Redstuff, two reasons really. I don't really race my car, and everyone's saying go for the yellow ones. I think the blue ones are like proper track, but well, the first reason, I've got red calipers. So what I didn't want to do is have yellow brake pads and seeing yellow coming through the red. Looks a bit naff. With the red ones, they work good when they're hot, and I think they're low dust as well. So hopefully I won't get as much dust all over my wheels. Hopefully I'll get less squill as well, because at the moment I'm getting a bit of a squill from the ones I've got at the moment. Now let's go and shoot over to Auto Dynamics and get those guys down there to put them on. Picked up when you go back to pick your car up. Steve, the main man himself. Now this is service, Steve. Oh, thanks very much. There we go, MOT all clear and all done. So now just going to look at what they did with my rear brakes as well now. So anyone wants to check out Auto Dynamics, they're in Barnet in North London. Right, let's go and have a look at these new brakes on the back of my car. Oh yeah, that looks much better. And you can see the Redstuff caliper, or the Redstuff brake pad sits nicely with the caliper. Nice colour match. Makes the caliper look much bigger as well. That was a good call. Yeah, That's nice. No rust. As you can see, nice, decent. I think that looks the nuts. So, if you guys want to come down to Auto Dynamics in Barnet, North London, Steve, give him a call. I'll put his details in the description below. He will sort you out and give you a good service, whatever you need. I'll catch you guys soon.